before me do nothing. Swear to you. Exactly. Yeah, man, sometimes I wait for long, man. I just give them rope thing themselves, because I make up my mind good, you know. I know somebody where you go disrespect me and then I argue with you and then I talk back to you, you know. If you disrespect me, I find say that is just a personality. Just believe me, man. You're not going to ever get fit talk to me ever in your life again. Just know that. I know somebody like that way argue with people with this me and blah, 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 and then later you see me and them, You see, more me analyze your personality and realize you're a demon. Believe me, no kind of contact. Not even high you not get from me. So I don't really take disrespect light. But I wait first to make a good judgment. To make sure I say yes, I'm right about your personality. And then I just cut the card. And that goes straight across the board, even with family. Even with my parents. Don't believe that just because I'm your family, I go sit down and tolerate the disrespect. I tolerate it for